This is your WWF news of Wednesday morning. I think everyone was bought releasing one of these modern cars. They've probably been aware or not aware how poorly engineered, how poorly they are built, and it's filled in a hell of a lot of technological stuff, silicon chips, circuits, batteries, elastic bands, and they make you pay a hell of a lot of money for these things. When it comes to certain, luxury brands, especially in America, and those ones which are European ones, many customers are absolutely in revolt because it's riddled with gremlins and problems. The engine blown up, the software not working, this and that not working. Practically, it's full of problems. What the hell is happening to the motor industry? Is this what customers want? A mega technological piece of junk, which passes more time probably in the workshop when they have the time to carry out warranty, repairs or not. It's a bit like here in Italy, they introduced some ridiculous legislation. Your future MOT can't be passed if you never resolve that problem of the recall for a certain thing or that certain model and brand. And we're talking about cars of 15 or 20 years ago. They say, well, it's going to be, free or charge these repairs from the car maker itself. A car which is 20 years old, which they think it's got a suspected, airbag Johnny, which they say could be dangerous. You never know. The fact is, they recommend you have to change the airbag every 10 years. It's just anti-economical to do so. You live it the way it is. You just probably disconnect the circuit like the passenger one, basically. Especially when it comes to electronics on board. And we're talking about BMW, Porsche and stuff like that. Installing these big screen panels which looks like a television set, and they're saying, this is super technological, which really cost them that piece, was it? A few dollars, and they make you pay a hell of a lot of money. And obviously MPAC, European Agency for Road Safety Tests, has expressed their opinions on these huge panels in the car, because your reaction time to an accident, the distraction of fiddling on these television screens, takes a lot more time than an actual meddling around with a manual button. Car makers are taking the pundits for real mugs, most of them, because the consumers are, mesmerised by these flashing lights, technological things. They're not free. They make you pay a hell of a lot of money for these gadgets. And at the end of the day, these gadgets now become standard, has a pretty high cost for the purchase of a motor vehicle. Make vehicles more efficient, more simple as possible. Less technology in the cars, because sincerely, what are you going to do with it? You don't even use half of these systems anyway. And when they begin to stop breaking down, it's money. Or is this the thing which they're hoping for? And even the right to repair these things. You have to take it to the dealership, because they're the ones that have the equipment and the technological know-how to do it, because even after sales services, that is big money. You know, a bit like printers for computers. Well, in this case, they're not selling cars for rock bottom prices. They make you pay a lot for cars, but with printers, they make you pay under manufacturing costs. And obviously, you have to buy their ink, their cartridges, because there's a silicon chip inside that tells them, the machine, whether it's original cartridge or not. If it's not original, it blocks. Probably will have the same type of system in cars, encrypted ECU units. Every time you have a flatty, you need to have access to the computer to cancel the error, change your battery to tell the alternator, computerized alternator, it's a new battery, or even changing a light bulb to tell the system you change the light bulb with a headlamp. It's absolutely ridiculous. And obviously, I think half of these recall campaigns is due to the thing is they are badly thought, badly projected and built as well. Even the materials which they use is absolutely shoddy. And obviously eliminate some type of cars like city cars or classical station wagon for SUVs is more a profitable thing for them at the end of the day to do. Or is it probably a way with all these rules and regulations in Europe? They want to push you into electric cars.